Welcome to Carl's Comic Cards and Collectibles. What's going on, guys? Something a little different today. We got some Star Wars Galaxy 2018 trading cards. It's just a little set that I've been collecting on the side that I thought was pretty cool. It's got some pretty awesome artwork here. Not like those movie picture cards. That's just pictures of like scenes of the movie and the actors. And those are cool too. But I really like the artwork on these ones. They got the Galaxy 2024s. That's the most recent set. Those are like $350 a hobby box at my local card shop. So might be getting that, might not be getting that. No, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what happens. But here's some cool examples here. We got numbered Palpatine back here to 25. Couldn't even tell it was numbered, but now that I'm looking at it, it's got a different color Star Wars insignia on the bottom there. Looks like to be bronze, numbered to 25. It's pretty awesome. So that's kind of cool. These blaster boxes come with these commemorative patch cards. I got one of these boxes before, so this is the one I got last time. I think that's Luke Skywalker's hand after Daddy Vader chopped it off. So that was kind of cool. I also got one of these cool chromium inserts, I think. Etched foil card that was in this box last time I opened one. So maybe we'll get another one of those. Who knows? That'd be kind of cool. They also come with these cool like propaganda inserts for the Resistance and the Empire. And some Rogue One inserts. Yeah, we got some Rogue One propaganda cards. And some Resistance versus the First Order cards. And I believe there's some Resistance versus the Empire cards. Yeah, somewhere around here. Or are they all the First Order? I mean, we'll find out. Who knows? But yeah, it's a pretty cool set. Got some awesome artwork. Got Darth Vader hanging out back here. Yeah, so we're just gonna get into this box. So hopefully we get something pretty cool. All right, here we go. So it's got some Vader on there, some Princess Leia, and I don't really remember how to open it. So we're just going. Oh, hey, it just opens just like that. Hey, how about that? Get these packs out of here. And then, let's see. Yeah, here goes that commemorative patch card. We're going to go ahead and save that for last, of course. Why not? That way we know we get something pretty cool. So let's see what's in the first pack here. All right. We got one of the bounty hunter guys, man. He's pretty cool. You know what? What is this guy's name? Ben Thick. Two Tubes. The Two Tubes guy. They also come with these cool Ahsoka inserts. It's got like a red and white and black foil on there. And there goes our Resistance insert. Oh, there goes Darth Vader coming in hot. Look at that. Oh, sweet. Look at that TIE fighter. I mean, Jesus, that's an X-Wing. Hello. Okay, we got Rey hanging out. Jakku. Maybe it could be Tatooine. And I think that was it for that first pack. Next pack. So there's like 10 packs per box. And I'll try to get this going. Oh, we got some Emperor Palpatine in there. That's some cool artwork. On the green foil parallel, we got another one of these Resistance propaganda posters. A Rogue One propaganda card. And we got, looks like young Obi-Wan and old Obi-Wan hanging out. Oh, wow. Look at that. That is pretty cool artwork. Oh, we got Darth Maul. That's pretty sweet. Poe Dameron action. Okay, pack number 2. Let's see what's in pack number 3. So I don't know, just kind of a big Star Wars fan like everybody else, but just figured I'd throw this up there. Trying to finish off this set. They had some of these packs in the like pick your pack bin at my card shop, and we've just been slowly finishing off these set pack by pack here. Oh, that's some pretty cool artwork. Oh, sweet. We got R2, Luke, and Rey, Chewie hanging out. Oh, man. Princess Leia. Oh, that's kind of cool, huh? Sweet. Some of the Ewoks back there. Yoda, C-3PO, and back to that Leia card. All right. Next pack. Ooh, we got Jar Jar Binks. We got a Rebels Ghost Crew wanted poster. We got a Sarlacc pit. Man, that's kind of cool. We got Luke on the, was that the Wampa? I'm not sure. Oh, hey, look at that. We got a green parallel of that one right there. Okay, that's kind of cool. And we got Darth Vader. We got green parallel of that one right there. All right, cool. So yeah, I guess they got like green and silver, and I believe the numbered ones are the bronze, and I'm guessing gold. I've only gotten that numbered to 25 Palpatine, so. Oh, this one's a blue one. I forgot about the blue ones. I don't think that one is numbered. Nope. No numbered on the blue. Another Ahsoka insert. Oh, that is a cool dark side. Man, dark side. All right, Princess Leia. Ooh, Boba Fett. Looking pretty sweet. And got some Rogue One action. And that was it. All right. We got about 5 packs left. About halfway done here. About halfway done. Some Star Wars action. Trying to get a little bit of the Force here. The Force is strong. Oh, the Force is strong. We got one of these foil etched cards. That's pretty cool. Man, look at that. All right, I'll have to put that up there. That's kind of cool. All right. The Force was strong in that pack. I could feel it, actually. It was, the pack was calling to me. It said, Han Solo. Oh, man, some Rancor battle action right there with Luke. That's cool. Some more Rogue One. All right. Next pack. Some Darth Vader with the stormtroopers in the background. Another Ahsoka insert. Oh, some Anakin Skywalker and Obi-Wan. Looks like we got some Yoda. Sabers out. Sabers out. AT-AT. And some Emperor Palps. And some Poe Dameron and some X-Wing pilots. Back to Vader. All right. 3 packs left. Let's see. Got Vader on that blue foil parallel there. Hey, we got Chopper. That's awesome. Another, looks like this one's for the, looks like it's for the bad guys. New Order. A No, they were the Empire back then, I believe, in Rogue One. New Order is after. There goes some classic saber battle, father-son duel, and some Rogue One, some Andor, and Vader. Hey, that's the art on the box. How about that? We got some box art. Look at that. That's awesome. All right. Second to last pack here. Second to last pack, not including that cool commemorative patch card pack. There's only one card in there, but that's cool. Should be a good one. Oh, that's upside down. Look at that. Okay, Star Wars. We got the Millennium Falcon. And we got Ahsoka. And we need you to resist tyranny. Oh, General Grievous. That's pretty sweet with some battle droids back there. Oh, that's awesome on Cloud City with freaking Boba Fett. A little R2-D2 and C-3PO. C-3PO looks scared. Oh my goodness. And back to that Millennium Falcon. That's pretty awesome. Very cool artwork in these packs. I know it's kind of an older set, but you know, hey, maybe this will be a Throwback Thursday edition. It's 2018. It's not really that old, but you know, it's cool. We got Luke Skywalker, young and old, and his X-Wing. Oh, cool. We got another chrome little shimmy shine card here. Rey. Wow. It's a Star Wars Legend card. Okay. I don't think I've gotten one of those yet. That's pretty cool. That's pretty awesome. Let's get Rey out there. Star Wars Legend card. I don't think I heard that one. Ooh, cool. Oh man, looks like he did something to that stormtrooper. Shoot. All right. I think that's is that Tali Lintra maybe? I don't know. On that Rogue One Battlefront game, she's got a pretty cool starship he can fly around in. And that was the last pack. We have this commemorative patch card inside. We're gonna see what's in here. I don't know if I can get anything cooler than Luke Skywalker's hand, but we're gonna see what's in here. Oh my goodness, what is that? That looks like some Princess Leia and Han Solo having a moment there. That's pretty cool. Got the green foil on this one. That's awesome. Congratulations. Hey, it's numbered 21 of 150. Oh, I'll be dang. I wonder if this one isn't numbered, is it? Did I notice it? No, it's not numbered. Yeah, okay. Cool, man. Numbered patch, commemorative patch of Han Solo and Princess Leia. How about that? That's beautiful. But yeah, this is a pretty cool set. Like it. Hopefully I got the cards I needed out of that box. This is pretty cool. But yeah, if you guys like this content, don't forget to like and subscribe. And always, keep collecting.